So, Memorial Day weekend. We got us a new set of tires in the back of the Avalanche. The douchebag neighbors are in their backyard. So what are we gonna do? Load these tires up, get ready, get the truck started, and I think today's the day we get rid of a set of 35s. Man, where to begin? So I started this clip. It's been 5, 6, 7 days since I started this clip last time. My oldest dog has gotten pretty sick, and it looks like he's most likely not going to pull through this. I've had the dog about a decade now, and he is my best friend. So haven't been really dealing with it the best. Have been pretty down and depressed. Just basically crying all day. Is what it is. I'm not scared to hide that. I love my dog, care about my dog a lot, and it's just been fucking me up on the inside, and I haven't been able to get content out because of it. So I have been doing things, I just haven't been filming things because it's kind of hard to film yourself when your face is all red and you're all teary constantly. Did get some of the stuff on Wifey's truck pulled apart. Have already chopped out the rocker, and I started to fit the new rocker. The dog stuff happened a little bit after that, so we've just been dealing with that and as a family trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Yesterday I did have a little bit of time, so I went ahead, pulled the wheels and tires off this big beast, getting it ready for, whoosh, we have some new ones. Go ahead, and as you notice by the title and the thumbnail, bunch of tires. Plan is through all the 35s in the back of the Avalanche, we're gonna run them over to a tire shop and get them dismounted. Start worrying about getting some 38s mounted up instead of just a Rambletron or anything like that. Thank you guys for being the best subscribers. You guys are MVPs for sticking around after, you know, a week or so of not filming. But let's go ahead and run over, get some tires swapped out. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, home. Clearly sweaty. Watching Boosted Boys update of the MR2 deciding to eject a Ceto rod into orbit. I feel that whole Kyle at the end, he's like, I'm sad and I just want to load up and go home. I'm sad and I just want my dog to be better. So, vibes, buddy, vibes. You pay to get the tires removed, correct? But you're supposed to put them all on yourself, right? Something like, I don't know. We see 38 1350s. I did throw one on already, and I'm literally using some cleaner, some all-purpose cleaner. I mean, you could use soap and water if you wanted to. Two of the $5 tire ones from Harbor Freight, and we're just gonna time-lapse this, set you guys up, knock out the rest of these. Thinking I'm gonna probably have to use some brake clean to seat them up. Which, it's only fun, right? So, get all this figured out real fast. Get a bunch of stuff lined out. Time-lapse, 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 crappy music, average Joe build style. I'm gonna continue sweating my butt off and get some tires mounted so we can get the big truck on some bigger tires. With that, let's party. Okay, of speeding this one up. We're gonna real time this one real quick. Throw my headphone back in, jump on it, and then yeah, we'll time lapse the rest. Just keeping myself busy, right? That whole, oh, I shouldn't have just touched my hair like that. My hands are, God. Yeah, it's turned into one of those days. So we saw quickly, I slammed them on the bead, and then I struggled for 13 minutes. So it's been a fight, but we got one mounted, and yeah. Oh, I touched my bed. You guys, I do a lot of stuff for you guys. It's because I love you. So, like I said, mounting them, brake cleaning, parts cleaner, Pepsi, my pen. Just hit the pen, try to mount it, hit the pen. You saw on that time lapse, it would not go. I think partially I was using my tiny ratchet strap, a little orange guy over there, and he was not helping. So I switched to the big guy, and we got that. Try and time lapse getting this one, and this one. I just want to finish these for the night, and then tomorrow we can quick polish, clean up, throw them back on the truck. I'm stoked. I mean, there's more sidewall. They're bigger. They're not perfect. They got a little bit of weather crack, just a little bit, but I don't plan to do a bunch with these. These are still more burnout tires, you know, etc., etc. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna get back to some tire running. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Are you okay?
And I don't budge.
My one and done, that one. Well, go on record and say when I do Corolla wheels, or when I did Corolla wheels and drift car tires, you saw at the beginning of the channel, 240 and all that stuff. All those tires, G35, I do all those by hand. It's no biggie. Do the wife's, you know, truck. Well, actually, the wife's truck's there now. My truck's there, but I did all those by hand. I used to do Baja Claws, stuff like that, but these were something else. You notice I got it down there towards the end. Figured out I was letting the back bead slide off too far. If I let the back bead stay just enough where it was, I couldn't see daylight through it, and then I did it. We worked, but 1, 2, 3, 4. All have 45 PSI. I'm gonna close the garage door. I'm gonna go eat some dinner, and then we gotta clean these up. Quick little polish job because I made them so much dirtier than they were. And back on this guy, but I got some copyright free or non-copyright free music playing for the neighbors back there. So I'm gonna eat some dinner. I'll see you guys in, again, a few minutes.
2,000 years later.
Boy, oh boy. I've literally started this clip 50 fucking times trying to figure out what to say, how to say it, how not to cry doing it, and it's not working as much, but the weather is really the weather is really letting my feelings show out there, huh? So yesterday it was 75 and beautiful and sunny, and today it's inches of water on the ground, and so like I said at the beginning of this video, my oldest dog had gotten pretty sick, and at least they come out to say what's up. Yeah, so my oldest dog had gotten sick, and over the last few days we had a rough time, and yesterday, unfortunately, yesterday my best friend passed away in my arms, so I am having a really hard time getting this video out. But you know what? He would not want me to sit and cry all day, so yeah. We got 4 stupid tires mounted. I have no hair on either hand. My beard's still intact, and most of my eyebrows and the hair on my head, so that's good. I didn't burn any of that off, but yeah. I don't know what to do anymore, so I never really thought I'd have to make this video. I didn't think I'd be doing YouTube ever. I didn't think any of this, yeah, so I got tires to put on. I got some tears to let out, and I am going to finish this truck and pull it out front. So I don't even know why I'm filming any of this. I should just say screw it, not put crap on, but it's been, if you got a pet, go give him a hug for me. I have no idea. See you guys in a little bit once we get these stupid tires mounted. Just Jeep things, just Jeep things. So, crappy B-roll included. This video obviously did not turn out the way I had planned. Your boy is just down and out right now. I got a bunch of stuff I gotta unveil in the next few days. I got a bunch of boxes I gotta do. Still in the middle of doing wifey's rocker panel for the 64. I actually have, I literally stopped in the middle of this because of Bandit and taking care of him, but yeah.
I got all the parts to put all that in. It's all sitting here. I've mocked up a bunch of it and started to make sure it's gonna fit the way I wanted it to. Trim the ends of these inside panels. Yeah, just like I said, everything kind of just fell apart a few days ago, a week ago, and yeah, since then it's been a big old ball of tears and not having the best days. But now we are in the process of going through, and I heard you come out, Bruce. Hey. In the process of just cleaning up all the other dogs. You know, no one's sick, everybody's healthy as could be. Bruce, come here. Come here, Bruce. So, just enjoying the time with everybody else. Gave them all baths. Made sure they know we love them. Been feeding them like kings and stuff like that. I mean, what else can you do, right? So, I'm just trying. My brain is just keeps going back to missing him, and I'm gonna throw a couple pictures in here, and I'll probably just talk over it of. He was a good boy. He was only 9. We went to different countries together. We did a bunch of different things. Always loved going for rides. Always loved, you know, we built so many cars together. With that, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you guys in a few days for the next one, obviously. And if you got a pet, go give it a hug for me, okay? Average Joe Builds. We're out of here.